Hey guys, Shirley here. In my today's video, I'm gonna talk about a tool that you are gonna learn English with Netflix and YouTube. It's called Language Reactor. It's an extension on Google Chrome. So with this tool, you are gonna learn any language that you want to. When I knew it, it blew my mind, and I'm pretty sure that it's gonna blow your mind as well. This video I'm gonna split in two parts. First, I'm gonna show you the features that I like the most with Language Reactor, and second, I'm gonna share the way I use Anki flashcards with Language Reactor. So how do I create my cards using this tool? Okay guys, first things first, you go to Google the name Language Reactor Chrome and click on the second link. After that, it's gonna show up this screen and you just need to add to Chrome. Then you go over your Netflix account or your YouTube, pick up any video, and now I'm gonna show you how it works and the 5 features that I love the most here. The first one is because you can see both subtitles at the same time. So you can see the target language and the language that you know. For example, in my case, the language that I'm learning is English, and my native language is Portuguese. So I chose these two subtitles, and while the video is going on, you can read both. For example,
Proud of you.
Well, I can't help you dispatch a president. How about a senator? The editorial on the...
this is so good, especially if you are the kind of person like me who likes to know exactly the words natives speak, like which verb they use in each situation, which words, which collocations. This is also so good regarding to expressions and idioms, because most of the time we have the same expressions and idioms, but we don't say that in the same way. So with Language Reactor, you can know immediately what it means, and this is really good. The second feature that I love here is because you can pause and repeat after the actor. You just need to enable this tool here. So when I play,
It is the opinion of this newspaper that...
see, it pauses and then you can repeat after that. This is so good if you want to practice shadowing. The another thing that I like so much using Language Reactor is because we can practice our pronunciation, especially connected speech. That's my pet peeve. So that's a thing that I really like and want to learn. So that's why for me this tool is also super handy. Another one is about vocabulary. You don't need to look up the dictionary all the time you come across a different word, or maybe if you want to practice that specific pronunciation, what you have to do is just a second. Okay, I don't know what's happening here. Maybe I need to update something, but you also can learn the pronunciation of the words individually. You just need to put your mouse over the word, and then it will show up a screen, and you can click on the pronunciation and you're gonna hear it, and it also shows you extra examples with that word. That's really good. The last but not least feature that I like is because you can skip parts and save your time when it is speechless. For example, in this scene. So here there is nothing happening. You can just go over the next speech. You just need to click on it, on the sentence. See? This is so good. After all, you are learning English. You are not watching the episode just for entertainment. You are watching it for learning from it. How long it takes for? Usually, for me, it takes 20 minutes. It's enough for me. More than that, I feel bored, my attention wears off, so it isn't good for me. 20 minutes, it's enough. But for you, you can take it longer or shorter. It's completely up to you. I love Anki flashcards. You might know that. If you don't, you can check my playlist where I teach how to use Anki to learn English here and in the description below. And with this tool wouldn't be different. So what I do, I like to print screen, but I can do this in two ways. The first one, I use the capture tool from window that it's already here. Okay, already here, this like this, and click new, and I capture the screen. The other thing that I like to do is to highlight the part that I'm learning. For example, let's suppose that I don't know this word, throat, and so this is the word that I'm learning in this card. It's pretty good to do that because over time you might not know what your intention with that card, and once you highlight it in one go, straight away you know what you want to learn from that card. Then I open up my Anki and just paste the picture here. You know, I also can look up the meaning on the dictionary. Usually I do that. I add the word throat. Usually I add the phonetic transcription and the meaning. And I also use Awesome TTS. I already taught you how to add Awesome TTS to your Anki. Awesome TTS, it's an audio with the word that you are learning. That's pretty good. I highly recommend you add audios to your flashcards. That's it. So this way I created my card. If this Windows capture screen doesn't work, what you can do is you Google Chrome, and then you click on the second link. It's another extension. So then you add it to your Chrome and then you can use it. So that's it. If you liked the video, if it was helpful for you, please give me your thumbs up and subscribe to my channel to receive more tips like this. See you next time. Bye!